Teka lang.
Good morning, Ms. Dilunan.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you for coming to interrogate you. I am Detective Jasper Isaraos and I am willing to help you about the happened on yesterday. What is happened on yesterday?
I was at encounter at around 8 a.m. A man wearing a white t-shirt and the one man is wearing a hoodie. At first, I thought he was just a construction worker.
Okay. Did anything right away?
Yes, he kept his right hand. The the knife the knife took my wrist side.
And what happened?
He woke he woke up to the counter slowly, then he leaned forward and said, "Don't scream, give me the cash." He showed a knife in his pocket.
Are you sure it was a knife?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure it was a knife?
I didn't see the whole thing, but I saw enough. The handle it looked real. It looked real.
Did you notice his height or even build or voice?
He was around my height, maybe 5'5" to 6 to 5'6". Medium build. His voice was a little rough, like someone who's who smoke.
Okay. I understand. Anything else? Tattoo, shoes, or his smell, or even his dress?
Oh, yes. His shoes black with lock white white t-shirt and cover face, and he had a small tattoos on his right wrist.
Okay. That I will check the CCTV and patrol the area. You did the right thing.
I just hope you catch him.
Good morning,
Morning, sir.
Mr. Cadenado.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Yes, sir.
Can you describe what yesterday? Can you describe about the what happened yesterday about the robbery in the bank machine in the palace?
On December 11, I'm all ready to cash my money, to cash out my money, but and behind me, they have the two men, and they are ready to take my all accessories.
What can you describe what the robbery look like, or
I thought this the construction workers.
and can you describe like what he's wearing?
My
Did he
outfit.
have the tattoo or something like what else?
They did not have tattoo, but they have um, mask,
Yeah.
wearing to mask.
Yeah, you have the wearing mask. So did you traumatize last yesterday because you
Yes, sir. I
got,
have
you got robbed?
traumatized. Yes, sir. I have traumatized.
Now, what are you feeling right now?
I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling. I cannot describe what I'm feeling because oh my god. But I'm so. It's hard for me.
Okay. Na okay. Now, what accessories that he took away yesterday, like your important things?
All important, sir, especially to my phone and my money, wallet, and also my bracelet, the special to give my girlfriend.
Oh, yeah. Can you describe what is holding, like he robbed yesterday, like gun or what?
Also the man, sir, they have a knife and already they already put my
Your reside.
which side I don't know, but
Did you saw that it was a knife?
yes sir.
Yeah, okay. We will show that our your cooperation that you give the much help or bigger. Nang we try our best to catch the robbery yesterday, and thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Cantilano.
I hope sir you catch my old things sir. Back me
Yes.
sir. Sir.